Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp messages search not working on iPhone in iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Turn off and on iCloud sync for WhatsApp. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on Apple ID. On the Apple ID page, scroll down, tap on iCloud. On the iCloud page, tap on Show All. On the Apps page, scroll down, turn off WhatsApp. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Method number 2. Disable background app refresh for WhatsApp. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on WhatsApp. On the WhatsApp page, disable background app refresh. Method number 3. Turn off Siri suggestion for WhatsApp. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on WhatsApp. On the WhatsApp page, tap on Siri and search. On the Siri page, turn off Learn from this app and turn off Show apps in search. Method number 4. Offload WhatsApp app and reinstall it. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage. On the iPhone Storage page, scroll down, tap on WhatsApp. On the WhatsApp page, tap on Offload app, again Offload app, and reinstall it. Thanks for watching this video.